So I started out teaching online as an experiment and wasn't sure what to expect. But over time I've really come to enjoy it. I enjoy it that once I get something designed, I'm able to use it multiple times and just focus on improving those things where I'm getting feedback. Teaching online showed me exactly how much that I wasn't telling students the first day of class when I would teach in a traditional delivery mode. And then what I realized is when you have to be very clear about the expectations in the design from day one, and they have to read it, not always see it, although you can have videos. It challenged me to be a lot more particular and specific on what I expected students to achieve and what I expected them to do as part of the course. In my first class, I started to design based on the way I delivered and the way that I taught. When I started to change my focus into teaching based on learning objectives and design based on learning objectives, it was more about looking at what are the students going to achieve and what are they going to get out of the course. And so that's how I started focusing more on the learning objectives and letting that design how I organize my site, how I organize my syllabus, to make sure that they were able to achieve those objectives at the end. So in my presentation, you'll be able to see a little bit about what I knew and what I learned teaching in traditional modes, and how very little of that transferred to be for me to be most effective online, and hopefully you can learn from my experience.